Hello everybody, welcome to my video today. I have something sort of different to share with you guys today. We're going to make a little gift here. We're going to use the pillow boxes and we're going to use some brand new product that isn't quite available yet for customers, but I have an offer for you guys. So let's just dive in and let me show you what we're going to make. So what I want to do is I want to make a gift out of this pillow box. These Kraft pillow boxes are in the annual catalog, and what I love about these is they're so easy to put together. So you don't have to die cut anything, you just get a package of them. I believe there's 10 in the package. I'll put a little information up here, the item number and how many exactly come in a package. All you do is pop them out of the package and you just press these down like so. And then you have a pillow box and you can put anything you want in here. You can put some treats. These would be great for Thanksgiving, if you have stuff for your kids at school, like if you're doing class treats. These are something really great that you don't have to put a lot of effort into, which can be great, right? I'm really behind right now with my kids' stuff. We have Halloween coming up, so we have treat bags for that. And then Andrew's birthday is this week. At the end of the week, he's celebrating that. And then Violet's birthday is next month, and sometimes you just get behind with all of these things. So let me show you a really quick way that you can decorate this. I pulled out some old red ribbon. I just wanted some thicker red ribbon. So I wanted something that was a little bit thick. And then I have some of the green baker's twine that is from the Festive Farm suite of product. So I love this. It's very Christmassy. It comes with green, red, and white. So we're going to use that. And then let me show you the stamp set and die we're going to use. So here I have some new products. I have one of the brand new stamp sets. It's this one right here. I didn't get both stamp sets that are available, but this is one of them. You guys saw me use some of this product in a Facebook Live last week. And then there is the dies, which are gorgeous. Let's just take a look at these dies. They're all Snowflake dies. So I wanted to use this product right here. And if you are interested in getting this product, you can purchase the starter kit and you can add these items to your starter kit. So when you purchase the starter kit, you spend $99, you pick out $125 in products. So essentially you're getting $25 of product for free. You pick out anything that you want, and then that's the starter kit. The product that you pick out is going to ship to you for free. So that's amazing. You get free shipping on top of it. So it's a fantastic deal. And I will put the item numbers for all of the new product and a link to the flyer down below. You guys can see that. If you're interested in any of these products, just purchase that starter kit, put these items on there, and then no worries. It's super simple. And then there's lots of other benefits to purchasing the starter kit. You get to get a discount on your Stampin' Up! Product. You get to be a part of our exclusive stamping community. It's just a really fun way to get more involved with us when we're stamping and hanging out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my pillow box first, and you would add your treats to this. And then what I'm going to do is, you know, normally we would think about maybe wrapping it around this way and coming back over and tying a bow, or maybe we would wrap it both ways like this and we would tie a bow and it would look like a gift. But what I thought would be really fun to do is to take this ribbon and run it this way. So then what you're going to want to do is leave a little bit here, and then you're going to want a really good piece, a really good pair of scissors. So I have some ribbon scissors here. I'm going to trim one that way and then one the opposite way. And then what we're going to do, and we might have to trim that a little bit more as we go, but then I'm going to take the Baker's Twine. Baker's Twine is one of my favorite things to use. I just think it's so fun to use. I love having it in all of the colors. I'll probably stock up on this pack, the red, green, and white pack, as we get ready to end the holiday catalog in a couple months, just so that I have it on hand. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to wrap this around the red ribbon and pull it pretty tight. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see kind of this technique. So I just have it wrapped around once, and then just wrap it around a couple more times. And then I'm pulling this sort of into the middle. And then what I'm gonna do is pull the twine and it's gonna start to smush that ribbon up. That's a technical term, you guys, smush. Okay, and then I pull that twine down closer to the pillow box. Okay, and then go ahead and tie it in a knot and it will hold it there, and then tie it in a bow. So tie that knot. Once you tie it like that, then you can kind of adjust these different things. A lip gloss would look cute in this. There's lots of different things you could put in here that would look super cute. These would look great in stockings as we're starting to get stocking stuffers and get prepared for Christmas. There's cute little things that would look, that would work really well in these. Okay, so now I'm just making sure my bow is nice and even. And then I am gonna go ahead and trim this ribbon again, just so it's a little bit more even. And a trick that you can do with your ribbon, you can't sue me for telling you this, okay? Disclaimer. Do this at your own risk. Make sure you're over 18. Don't burn your house down, all of that. But if you just take some heat and you put it to the end of your ribbon, it will cinch that ribbon and help it to not fray, okay? So now what we do is we just trim that, okay? So that's cute, right? So the other thing that's brand new are these snowflake little trinkets. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys could see that. I was totally zoomed in. Probably didn't see anything I just did. So these are little snowflake trinkets and they're so cute. They have a little jewel. The front. Okay, so in case you didn't see that, here's my bow. Here's my ribbon. I cinched the end of it. So now let's grab our snowflakes. And I think this one might be too big. I love this really big snow. Oh, it won't be. Okay. So let me bring my Big Shot over here and let me show you what we're going to do next. So I have my Big Shot here, and then I have some Dazzling Diamond glitter paper. And this is really pretty. It's just like iridescent glitter paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to flip my glitter paper over so that my die is going to go here on the back. And then I'm going to run it through my Big Shot, and I'm going to run this through several times. So we're going to go back and forth several times. I just want to make sure that this is really cutting. And the other thing that you can do is just add a little bit of a shim to it, which just means you add another piece of cardstock or thick paper, and then that's going to really press that down. These are very detailed dies, so I just want to make sure that it's really cutting. So then we'll take this out of here. Let me move all this stuff. And then we're going to pop this out of this glimmer paper. We're going to be careful because these are very intricate dies. And then what we can do is just pop all these pieces out, and we're going to have a beautiful snowflake. So I have my box, and then I cut out the snowflake and I popped all those pieces out. You can see how beautiful it is. And so now what I want to do is I'm just going to take some adhesive, and I want to go ahead and use my tear and tape, just because this, you know, you're going to be taping this or putting it there on the ribbon. And I just want to make sure I have this really strong adhesive down. So then you just remove the backing here, just like that. We'll place this right over the ribbon. Oops, I dented my box there. Okay, so you do that. And then all I've done is I've taken a little piece of cherry cobbler cardstock, which just happens to match my ribbon that I used. which the ribbon is retired. It's just some ribbon I pulled out of my drawer. I just wanted a very thick ribbon to do that technique with. And then I'm gonna put the For You right over the snowflake. So that is my project for today with this beautiful snowflake. You can see hopefully the glimmer on there. Maybe if I turn off a light, you can see it. So I love the way this turned out. Again, all the information will be on my blog post and the YouTube description below. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always happy to help you guys. And I will catch you guys on Wednesday for another project. Thank you guys so much, and I will chat with you later. Guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.